Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I have a division problem with decimals. Hey, don't get worried. We're going to take it step by step. Easy cheesy lemon squeezy. Before we get started, hit that link up above. That is the link to my new channel called Dino Math. It is dinosaurs and mathematics put together to be Dino Math. It's going to be an exciting channel. I'm so excited to be working on it, and I'd sure appreciate going over there, hit the subscribe button to help support us out. All right, let's go ahead and begin. When we divide with decimals, we just want to get rid of those decimals, all right? So, because otherwise it's like, it's a little confusing, all right? We want to make this simple and just nice to work with. So if whatever we do to this side, we have to do over to this side. So if I tickle this number over here, I got to tickle that number over there, all right? If I move the decimal point over here, I got to move it over here. But I have to move the decimal point in the exact same amount, the same spaces. So I'm going to move this one over one time, just like that. So I'm going to put it right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and erase that line. And I did that one time, so now I'm going to move this over here one time, put the decimal point right there, and erase this old decimal point, and now I have a new one. So now I have 14 point and then 29.4. So I have 29.4 divided by 14 point. I don't need this decimal point there anymore. So 14 is equal to 14 point or 14.0, all right? So 14 equals 14 point or 14.0. No difference. So I don't need to have that decimal point there. So I can just completely erase it right out of there. I still need this decimal point here. I'm going to take that decimal point and I'm going to put it right up here. That would be our next step. So I'm going to put it right there because our answer might have a decimal in it. So now let's go ahead and divide. How many times can I put 14 into 2? Can't do it, can you? So you need to move over to 29. How many times can I put 14 into 29? 14 plus 14 would be 28. I think 2 times. So I'm going to put the 2 right here, right above the 9 because I'm dealing with this number right here. So 2 times 14 would be 28. And now I'm going to subtract and bring 9 minus 8 would be 1, and I bring the next number down. Just bring it down. All right. Don't worry about the decimal. We're done working with the decimal. We're just going to put the 4 right there. Now, how many times can I put 14 into 14? 1 time. Uno. All right. So now remember, I'm dealing with this number here. So I put 1 right there. And that's our answer. That's our answer, 2.1. So I hope you had a great time today. Check out my other channel there. I'd sure appreciate it. And get outside and have fun. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.